can't be happening. Not here. Not now.
Hi everyone, you're welcome back once again to my channel. Do you love the video you just watched and you want to create something exactly like this? You're going to learn that in this video today. All you need is to pay close attention and see the way I will create it in order for you to replicate simply by doing the same thing. If this is your first time on my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss any single thing. In this channel, all I give you guys are contents that helps you become creative with AI and also make money from the internet space using your AI creativity. So let us get started. When you want to create cinematic videos like this, the first thing you want to think about is what kind of video do I want to create? When you think about that, the next thing is what should my video title be? When you found out the title, the next thing you want to ask yourself is, what is the story that relates to this title? So you don't have to do all this by yourself. With the use of AI, it has become a whole lot easy. So you do not need to be a script writer to be able to write your script. It's very simple. The first tool we'll be using here is ChatGPT. With the use of ChatGPT, you can create ideas for your content. You ask ChatGPT to give you ideas. Now, the prompts that I'll be using for this video creation is going to be in a Google document file. And if you need that file, all you need to do is to comment, I need the prompts. With ChatGPT, you can easily create a comprehensive script for your video. Be it what kind of video you want to make. Maybe you just want to make trailers or you want to make full videos. For instance, the video that I'm currently working on is a video that has episodes. In other words, it's a seasonal movie. And that's so interesting that you can actually create a full seasonal movie from your home. You don't need to look for actors or pay any cast and crew or cameraman. All you need is just to have the right skills. So I gave ChatGPT a prompt that's made it generate the things that you see on my screen right now, where it gives me exactly what I want, how I want the views, the characters, and every single thing that I need. As you can see here, it says weapon design. So this is talking about the weapons that will be used on this action movie. All right. And you can see all these are prompts that ChatGPT has simply given me to be able to generate my video. Now, when you have fully generated your script using ChatGPT, the next thing you want to think about is, what are my characters going to look like? While you are still here on ChatGPT, it is still the work of ChatGPT to give you prompts to generate your actors and your actresses, depending on what your video is about. With ChatGPT, you're going to generate prompts which you're going to use to generate the images of your characters. Remember, if you need the prompts that I used, you just want to make your request on the comment section so I will know that you need the prompts and I will make it available for you. The next thing is to generate the image. To generate my image, I use OpenArt. So this is my character for this particular movie that I'm currently working on, and you can see over here is the simple prompt that ChatGPT has given me, and here are other images that are required to make my movie make more sense. So you can see this is this lady here also, and you can see the environment, the workshop, everything. You can see here is this is the bike, this is the villain, and all the prompts that I have used to generate these images are all available for you guys at your request. All you just want to do me is a little favor of hitting the like button to show you love this video, and then leave a comment requesting that you need the prompt, and I will make it available for you. All right, so now we have our images, we have our scripts. The next thing is to turn these images into something actionable. That is, they should take action. Then the platform that we will be using for this is a very simple and a very easy platform, which is Google View 3.1. So over here on Google View is a very simple and easy platform to use. And over here in Google View, this is where you bring your photos to life. All you just want to do is to click on ingredients, and you want to upload your photo here. If you have an environment for your if you have an environment where the action should take place, you want to also click on this plus icon again to add more photos. And then here is the environment. I'll just add this environment here. So that means I want this guy to perform some actions inside this environment. So the next thing is over here, you want to put your prompts. So remember, after you have asked ChatGPT to give you prompts to generate your image, you also want to make sure you ask ChatGPT to give you prompts to bring the image to life according to the video script. ChatGPT is going to give you those prompts, and that's the prompt you want to copy and paste right inside here. So I'm going to paste a prompt, a simple prompt here, and I will click on generate because I want to show you something else after this image is done, after this video is done generating. So I'm going to click on generate. So it's going to take likely 30 to 40 seconds to complete. And when it's completed, you would see the action. So right now you can see what we have here. Okay, so that's beautiful, right? Now there's something I want to show you guys, which is something so new in Google View 3.1 that makes it more interesting. Now that you have this first 8 seconds of this video, you want to continue this video from exactly where it stopped, so it will look straight and complete. It doesn't have to look like, oh, the first side is this and the second side is something different. So what do? You want to click on extend. Okay, when you click on extend, it's going to give you an option to put another prompt that's going to continue the video from exactly where it stopped. This is also very important, that you give ChatGPT an instruction to give you prompts that continues from where the first prompt stopped. So that's why you actually need the prompt that I use to generate this, because if you don't have that prompt, if you don't understand how to tweak ChatGPT to give you exactly things like this, your video might not be smooth and synchronizing with the previous scene that you must have created. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is to put another prompt that will continue this from exactly where it stopped. Now over here, I'm going to paste this prompt, which says continuous video extension from the previous shots. So I'll click on generate. And what's going to happen is that exactly where this one stopped is where this one will continue from. So let's see how that will look. Okay, our video is ready, and let's see what it looks like. I'm going to click on insert over here so that it can come over to this place. Insert new scene. So I'm going to play it right from here, and let's see how smooth it's going to be. Do you see how that looks? That's interesting, right? And just the same thing, you want to keep clicking on extend until when you know you're satisfied with this particular part of the movie. Then you want to generate something new using different image depending on what your video looks like. So that's so interesting that you can actually generate videos like this and bring it to life. Look how awesome it looks. Like, this is action movie. If you guys remember those movies that were so fascinating to us, especially when we were so young, we loved to watch Superman, Spider-Man, all those action movie, Marvel, and all the rest. And now look at you from home, you are creating something like that. Is that not interesting? And the beautiful thing is the fact that you don't have to script anything. With the use of AI, you can create this script with ease. So you can just see that from with ease, I have just generated a 1 minute and 42 seconds of video just with ease. So imagine you dedicate your time to generate something longer than 1 minute, maybe 10-minute video, and you post it in your YouTube channel. Guys, a lot of people keep watching movies every single day. So many people don't want to pay for Netflix, but they want to watch blockbuster movies. They want to watch action movies. This is your time to bring action to YouTube for free. So imagine creating an action movie as action like this and posting it for people to watch on YouTube without even subscribing for Netflix. That's awesome, isn't it? And then you want to have what we call a long-term goal. What do I mean by a long-term goal in this movie industry? That is to say, if you want to go fully into movie creation, then you want to look ahead from where you are right now. Some of you watching this video might probably not have a YouTube channel at all, or some already have, and you're thinking, I think I should go into movie creation like this. Wherever you are, I just want you to look ahead of where you are. Just imagine you have a channel that's filled with action movies, and a lot of people want to watch action movies. Imagine you having 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, even 500,000 subscribers because these people are interested in watching action movies. And do you know how much that's going to pay you through YouTube? And imagine you now have other social media accounts like Facebook and TikTok and Instagram, where you post the shots or the reels of this thing, and you keep bringing people to watch your movie. Guys, that's a whole lot of money. And one thing about social media content is that as long as your video remains there, it's generating money every single day, week, month, year, and so on. There are movies that a whole lot of us always love to go back to watch, and these are old-time movies. And do you know that each time you watch those movies, that channel is making money? That's what you want to understand right now, that even if you take your time to generate a 10-minute video right now, or more, or 30 minutes or 1 hour video, people are still going to be watching this video in the next 5 years, and that's still going to be generating you more income. So you want to look ahead if you know you want to go into something like this. The reason why I'm encouraging you on this is the fact that if you're just starting, it might look so discouraging, especially when you take your time to generate these things and you just get like 10 views or just 100 views, and your channel is still young, or maybe you got views, you didn't get subscribers. Just don't be discouraged. Look ahead and keep improving your skills. That's why you want to subscribe to this channel, because on this channel I will keep giving you guys tips and ideas to improve your AI tech skills in creating content that's gonna help you make money on YouTube. All right, guys. And I know a lot of you want to get started. So if you know you want to get started, you need ideas on how to set up your YouTube channels, you just need someone to mentor you and encourage you, then you want to join my Telegram channel. In my Telegram channel, there is a group connected to the channel where you can always ask questions, and even you can chat me up directly, ask for advice on what you can do or what niche you can go into, and I will be happy to help you guys out. So don't forget, if this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button, And also, please hit the like button. Use the comment section and let me know what question is in your mind, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you.